one more thing I want to show you, and that is one of my favorite tools for prototyping, right, is ChatGPT. Because building an interface with a lot of buttons is a lot of work. And so ChatGPT does a really good job of this. And it's something that I am perfect. I'll say it straight in front of everybody. I'm 100% okay with you using ChatGPT to build the interface for this project. In fact, it's something you should play around with. So let's just try it. Please build me an interface using TK interface in Python for a Mad Libs program. It should have 3 different noun inputs and 2 different verb inputs and 3 adjective inputs, as well as a button that says generate Mad Libs. Please generate only the code for the interface. Okay, take a second for it to translate that. Send it. Okay, you can see here it's using TK properly. It's also using grid, not pack. So it's going fancy on us a little bit. It's commenting everything. You can see that here is the whole interface for that. And it even created the function for me so that all I have to do is fill in the function. So now let's check this out and see how it looks. Okay, so let's toss it in here. So just copied and pasted, didn't do anything else. Run that. Okay, so that saved me some work, right? But it's not complete. It's not really enough for me because there's nowhere to see the Mad Libs. So I'm going to tell it one more time to fix this. It's always nice to give it a little bit of affirmation, just in case someday the robots take over, right? Then they'll remember that I was kind. Okay, that's a good start, but I need a place for the Mad Libs to display. So to the right of the fields, please create a large label where the display will take place. Make the label black with white lettering. Okay. It even fixed my little stammer there. That was good. Okay, so left side input area, it's creating a frame for us, which is good. That's what we would expect. So left-hand frame, right-hand frame. Inside the left-hand frame, it's putting all of the fields. Can you imagine how long it would take to just type all of this out? Quite a while, right? But it's repetitive. This is exactly the kind of thing that AI is really good at for saving time. So now if I copy this and paste it in and run it, that looks pretty good. I would make a few changes to it, honestly. I don't love how it looks, but it's a pretty good start, right? So I can do this, but here's the deal. I think at the beginning of the semester, when I was talking about AI and how to use AI in programming, I kind of compared it to flying a 747, right? If you get up in the air in a 747, you've gotten pretty lucky without any training. But once you get to that point, if you think you're going to land that thing without training, good luck. So this is that 747 moment, right? It's better if you know some stuff because you have to be able to tell not only, if you notice when I was speaking the language to ChatGPT, I used terms that related to how TK interface works. The second thing that I want to point out is if it generates garbage, I will either know how to fix it or I will know why it's garbage, or I'll just be able to recognize that it's garbage. If all you do is ChatGPT, you're at some point you're going to be in that plane and trying to land it, and it's going to suck for you. That's why we have this class, right? It's not so I can show you how to use ChatGPT on 16 different assignments. You could have done that without me. But if you learn some of the stuff and you augment that with ChatGPT, it's sort of like that putting that Iron Man suit on, right? You can pilot that thing, but it gives you a lot more capabilities. So that's it. Like I said, I am 100% fine with you using ChatGPT to develop the interface. I'd like you to wire it to ChatGPT yourself for the functionality, but by all means, use it for the interface, especially if you've got a lot of fields and things going on there. Okay? So that's it for today.